This video is going to be something a little bit different. I'm only going to be talking to you guys at the beginning of the video, where I'm just going to kind of explain what's going on, and at the end of the video, just to kind of do my outro bit. Anyways, this project is just reinforcing the little garden ornament I made back in October. Yeah, that video, if you guys remember that. It'll be in the description if you want to go watch it. But it's a little wobbly, and I want to make it wobble a little less. Now, realistically, it's going to have a little bit of wobble in it because I built it out of angle iron as opposed to square tubing. But I'm just going to cut out a couple little 1-foot reinforcement pieces, just stick those in the same way that I put the bottom reinforcement pieces on, and weld them up. That's really all there is to it, so let's get started. Alright, and that's going to be it for this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm kind of experimenting with my style a little bit, especially after last video, when a couple of you guys said you'd rather have higher quality videos, and that's what this is the result of. It's just kind of a combination of a bunch of different styles I've seen on the site. Anyways, regardless, I hope you enjoyed. I'm still going to be experimenting with styles, maybe throw a few memes in there. Who knows? I'm just going to kind of do whatever I want. and really kind of do what I think it takes to make these videos good. Regardless, if you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like. If you want more content like this, please consider subscribing. And that's about all from me. I'll see you guys later.